Assalamualaikum. My name is EZZATY binti ROBANI from Group A4 at S120119. Today I want to share with you guys about one topic which is chemical in tears. So let's check out. This video, I will share with you guys about 7 main things, which is firstly, what is tears, location of tears, type of tears, cause of tears, benefit of tears, chemical composition of tears, and lastly, 3 fun facts of tears. So let's go. Tears is a fluid that contains tears are produced by lacrimal glands above our eyes. There are 3 types of tears, which is basal tears, reflex tears, and also emotional tears. For basal tears, there is always in our eyes to protect from debris and also to keep them nourished and also lubricated. While reflex tears will form when your eyes are exposed to irritants such as smoke and also onion fumes. Emotional tears will form when you are feel so happy, so sad, and other feeling that intense emotions. So now, let's check out about cause of tears. There's a lot of things that can make we cry, such as being too happy, being too sad. But today I want to share with you guys how onion fumes can make tears. So let's go. An irritating gas is the reason why onion makes we cry. The propanethyl oxide is the gas that makes you cry when you chop the onion. The process is a little bit complicated, but it's fun to be shared, so let's break it down. The sulfur in the ground, which is the onion growth, mixed with the onions and it forms amino sulfides and turns into a gas. Then the gas is mixed with the onion enzyme, which is released when the onion is chopped and creating sulfonic acid. And the sulfonic acid react with the onion enzyme and produce propanethyl oxide, which irritates our eyes. Our eyes will produce tears to protect from irritants. That's how onions chopping will make our eyes making tears. Sometimes we always thinking about the cause and effect that we will face if we are keep crying all over again every day, every time. Is this a toxin that will keep in our body? It's wrong, because while crying we produce a lot of benefits. So let's check out with what is the benefit of crying. First, tears can kill bacteria because it contains lysosome, which can kill the bacteria in 5 to 10 minutes only, which is 90 to 95% of the bacteria. Secondly, tears can improve moods because when you are crying, when you are sobbing, there is a lot of quick breath air will transfer into our body and helps regulation and also lower the brain temperature. So by that, you will feel so pleasurable, will so comfort when you are crying. That's how can increase your self-esteem after crying. Now, let's take a look at the chemical composition of the tears. When we are crying for a long time of period, we will produce oxytocin and also endogenous opioids known as endorphins. Let's talk more about oxytocin. Oxytocin is controlled by a positive feedback mechanism where release of the hormone causes an action that stimulates more of its own release. Low oxytocin levels have been linked to autism and autistic spectrum disorders. It is sometimes referred to as the love hormone because levels of oxytocin increase during hugging. Endorphins. Endorphins consist of a large group of peptides that are produced by the central nervous system and the pituitary gland. Since endorphins act on the opiate receptors in our brains, they reduce pain and boost pleasure, resulting in a feeling of well-being. Endorphins are released in response to pain or stress, but they also release during other activities like eating and exercise. Endorphins also alleviating depression, reducing stress and anxiety, and also boosting your self-esteem. There is a lot of chemical composition in tears, but I will only share 3 in details, which is mucin, lipids, and also lysosome. First, mucin. Mucins have been found to have important functions in defense against bacterial and fungal infections. Second, lipids. Maintains a moist environment on the surface of the eye, preventing the epithelial cells from becoming dry and damaged, lubricates the surface of the eye, and also facilitating the movement of the eyelids. Third, lysosome. It destroys bacteria that attempt to enter our body through these passageways. In the case of tears, they protect our eyes from bacterial invaders. Now, let's take a look about the 3 fun facts of tears. First, tears is mostly composed of water, but there is a little bit salt and also a little bit fatty oils. That's why our tears is sometimes it feels a little bit salty. Secondly, you can cry all you want because we will not running out of tears. Third, if we are getting older, we will produce a fewer tears because as we getting adult olders, we will know that we will have a dry eye, so it will produce a fewer tears. So I think that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Bye bye.